All right, what am I doing now? I just went by Home Depot. $252 later. Got my number 6 wire, copper. Got my special outlet. What they call it is a Neva 50 amp flush something blah blah blah. It's actually in the instructions in Ford's manual what to buy, so it's pretty cool. Got my double breakers. Don't know which panel. My panel has different setups. I bought one of each just so I have to drive back here later. So hopefully tonight I can have this set up in my garage shop. And it says that with a 220, 240 hookup, you can get about 20 miles per, it says you get about 20 miles per hour charge. So for me, that works, 8 hours, 160, 12 hours, right? 240, whatever that number is. So anyways, follow me along as I show you how to put that in next. How about that idea? Liking the Mach-E today, learning the vehicle, and so follow me along. All right, what am I doing now, huh? Well, I'm here at my electrical panel, and I'm going to put in my new electrical for my Mach-E. I think I'm going to put a plug over here. So I have to come up and over and around, and so hey, follow me along as I install my electric for my Mach-E. All right, cool. I actually got the right breaker. So I bought 2 different style breakers, and I got the right one, man. So that's great to know. So now I get this big ass cable here, 4-wire cable. I'm gonna pull through the panel and up above, and we'll knock this thing out hopefully pretty quickly. I can be charging my car overnight so I can drive again tomorrow. Right, puppies? Yeah, right, puppies? Hey, we're making progress here at Ice Age TV Mach 1 EV TV, right? And we get going up here now, right? Got the cable up here, coming out of the panel. Gonna pull it up over here. So we got her going, man. We're making headway. Wow, talk about cutting it to the last inch. Well, you got close to $7 a foot wire. You try to make the best of it, right? So, pretty cool here. Got her all done up. We are making, or I said what's this we, the dogs? Hey, we're making progress. Look at this. Got my outlet on. Next project here is going to be the panel. Yeah, not fun. Bye-bye. Instantly. If you don't know what the hell you're doing this, you're a bye-bye person. You're tomorrow's news for the wrong reason. It's the moment of truth. See what happens here. Put that on the ground, just in case. Put everything on the ground right there. That way, if anything's going wrong, you don't get shocked like me. Okay? There it is. Looks like the blue is on. So now, let's go over here and look at that. Hey. Wow, we get to working. It's all right, we'll get them. It's all right. We get. Wow, look at that. So did I complete the task? Is it, look at there. How about that? So now it is 5 of 8, 10 of 8. And let's get in the car here. And let's see what the power supply is. Guess I gotta get a key, right? Get my key over here. And let's see. Let's take it. So right now, I'm at 26%. Let me take a picture of that. All right, so we're 26% at 5 of 8 at nighttime. So tomorrow morning, when I come out here, what do we think it'll be? All right, I hope this video helps anybody else doing what I just did. Number 6, 4-wire. I got it at Home Depot, copper, 60 amp. They say 50 amp, well, it's 60 amp, and I'm fine with 60 amp. Double breaker, 2 hots, neutral and ground. I ran it up over and around and all the way down and through the hole here. I'll clean that up a little bit. And then I put in the correct plug. And this shows, I got a link from just going on Google, and I got a link. All right, I was trying to finish up my video. Once again, hope this video helps anybody wanting to install their own electrical charging, 240, 220, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna attach in my video a picture of the Ford link to tell you exactly what parts you need to do this. So mine's all finished up here. Mine's all finished up here. I'm gonna mark my panel for my charger, and there you go. Thanks for watching Ice Age TV. All right, good Ice Age movie. What the heck is it? Yeah, it's too early. I've had coffee, right? All right, so this is interesting. There's nothing even on the car. This is very concerning. Oh, yikes. What has happened? Has all my power gone off? No, because got lights back there. Is the car fully charged? My little power thing looks like it's on. This is interesting. I want to check my breaker panel first. Well, you know what? Let's just get in the damn car, right? Let's see what it says. All right, well, good news is the car's got power because, who knows? I'm the greenie guy here, meaning I've never done this before. So let's see what we have here now. No, come on back. Hey, hold on. So, wow. 100% charged. Awesome. All right. Get the dogs in the office. Hey, this is great. Look at this here. So that's exciting. The miles, though, a little disappointed. I really thought this car had a little bit more range. I thought this car had maybe 270 miles. Yeah, so then you watch my video, be like, well, don't you do your dang research, man, before you buy a car? So, in all sincereness, if this had been the California premium package car that came in, I would have taken that one. So it's about trying to get these cars. It's about trying to get, today's market, it's sickening. If anybody watched my videos, I'm sure some people out there, they're just aggravated as heck because of the world economic crisis that we're in. And, it takes forever to get what you want. Ask me about this vehicle right here. It took me 18 months. And believe it or not, I have a whole other Bronco ordered that I ordered the exact same time as this one. It still ain't here. I mean, it's just incredible what's going on in our world today. So, whole point is, yeah, the GT, did I do a lot of, did I look over every little speck of this car before I bought it? I didn't. Once again, if it was a California Premium Edition with the extended battery where I could get that close to 300 miles, I'd have hopped on that in a heartbeat as well. So anyways, but here's the great news. Anybody watching the channel, I installed this 220, 240 conventional plug and ran copper wiring, and I plugged it in last night. And so there you go. That's pretty cool. So the car, and last night, it was literally like 10 of 8 before 5 of 8, 10 of 8, I plugged it in. So for sure, 12 hours of charging, and I think it probably you know, accomplished at 10 hours, if you know what I mean. Hey, birds are pooping on my car. I live out here in the country, and Jesus Christ, the birds drive you nuts. So anyways, hey, great news. I'm excited about that. That means I can charge my car at nighttime at my own residence, and I can go drive around. Yeah, you don't go more than 200 miles, which I usually don't. I usually drive about 120 to 150 miles. So that's great. Hope this is helping you.